Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless drills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Black+Decker Cordless Drill. With a 24-position clutch and the ability to hold a charge for up to a year and a half, you'll get plenty of use from this multi-purpose cordless drill. It comes with 30 different accessories, including brad point drill bits, 1 and 2-inch screwdriver drill bits, and nut drivers, so you won't have to spend time hunting down the right part for the project. Almost anything needed for house projects comes as a part of this handy set. It doesn't possess the power to serve as a heavy-duty cordless drill for industrial projects, but it is perfect for DIYers. One reviewer wrote, "This drill is not meant to build a house, but it sure is an excellent tool to have to do jobs around the house." The added bits are nice, too. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bosch Drill Kit. Featuring 2 speeds and 265 inches per pound of torque, this Bosch PS31 drill will suffice for nearly any home project. While, at 12 volts, it's a bit less powerful than some other drills, many reviewers were impressed with the convenience of its ergonomic handle. Buyers suggested that older folks, or those with mobility issues like arthritis, will find this cordless drill easy to use and that it won't contribute to pain or extra strain on hands, wrists, and joints, although it's worth noting that the battery can be a little difficult to remove. "This is a great power tool," wrote a happy customer. "I have arthritis in my hands and this is a big help doing home projects." Ample power and good battery life. At number 3, we have the Twist Cordless Drill. This single-speed cordless drill can provide up to 700 RPMs, 21 Newton-meters of torque, and has an 18+1 clutch. It's the cheapest of our selection, but reviewers claim that its price is by no means indicative of its quality. Aside from the actual drill itself, you'll receive 28 other accessories, too, including fully ground twist drill bits and nut drivers. One pleased reviewer wrote, "Very nice tool. Use it for all my drill needs. Lightweight and battery stay charged. For the money, it's an exceptional tool." While it's meant for smaller household projects, another buyer found that it held its own when drilling a brick wall. At number 2, we have the DeWalt Cordless Drill. At just 2.4 pounds, this 2-speed, ultra-lightweight cordless drill makes maneuvering in tight corners and difficult angles far easier. Its featherweight volume, belt clip, and compact size, just 6.3 inches, also make portability a breeze. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with 340 UWO units watts out. One reviewer explained that while it's fitting for homeowners, you might want to go with a heavier drill for professional or heavy-duty tasks, writing, "It drills holes. It drives screws. It is light and small. It is my go-to drill for everything other than drilling holes in concrete or using spade bits or a hole saw." And finally at number 1, we have the DeWalt Cordless Drill. DeWalt's 3-speed cordless drill can work in heftier situations, whether it's operating an ice auger or rebuilding a deck. It's a 20-volt drill that features a carbonized metal, rather than plastic, chuck, and its brushless motor can provide 820 UWO. Household projects are easy feats for this drill, as proven by many a happy reviewer, but several buyers vouched for its industrial and commercial capabilities too. One reviewer who converted to DeWalt drills after growing tired of other drills with poor battery life, wrote, "I use this hammer drill for heavy construction a lot. Battery power and life are impressive. I will stick with DeWalt now." Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.